Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing you another original. This is the River Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Just going to come over here and put in a dimple of any kind, kind of a fold it in half. Bring it over to the center. I will bring it up and over. Down and around like so. Kind of starting with a Trinity base. And I'm going to come up through here like this. Now this is where the wreaths come in. I'm going to come through here and I'm going to open this up. I'm going to push this wreath down here. Push that down there. So we have this. You might want to extend that out. And then I'm going to come back through here like so. I'm gonna push it down here like this. Now this is the cool part. I don't have a tie clip with me, but what you're gonna then do, I don't know why I forgot my tie clip, but what you're gonna then do is you're gonna then do a wreath all the way down here like this. All the way down. And then you're going to have it all the way down to the bottom. Then you're going to have it come, and then you're going to clip it like this, or probably here at the bottom. Clip like this to keep that wreath in place. So I'm just going to make do with my fingers because I forgot my tie clip over there. And we're going to do this. So there you have the river wreath. This is kind of the flow of the river going down like that. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made, and we'll catch you in the next video.